This guided meditation is called a space mission to eradicate tumors. So when you're ready, find somewhere you will not be disturbed, somewhere you can really relax and enjoy this experience. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to close and take a soft, deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself settling, sinking a bit deeper, noticing how relaxation begins to fill your body. And with each breath, let yourself drift further into a calm, peaceful state. And with each exhale, feel a wave of calm entering your body. And then, on the exhale, let go of any tension or worry, or thoughts that are ready to fade. Perhaps you feel a soft release in your shoulders, or maybe it's your jaw that loosens, allowing your body to relax in its own natural way. And as you settle into this stillness, you may ask yourself, how deeply can I allow myself to sink into this calm? But there's no need to answer. Just let your body guide you as you drift even further into a place of peace. And as that continues to happen, allow your mind to calm and be focused. Imagine your body as a vast open space, a universe of stars, planets, and galaxies, each one representing different parts of your body, all connected and protected. And somewhere in this space, you become aware of invaders, a group of harmful cells, drifting in like dark foreign objects. They are separate from your true self, foreign and out of place. And as you become aware of them, feel your immune system responding, ready to take action and clear these invaders from your galaxy. And as you observe these invaders, you may wonder, how will my immune forces respond to protect me? But trust that your body knows exactly what to do. And in response to these invaders, feel a sense of energy rising within you. Just imagine your immune cells as powerful spaceships, small but fierce, each one equipped with the ability to seek out and eliminate harmful cells. And with each breath you take, call in a wave after wave of these immune spaceships. Each ship is a bright light, filled with healing energy. And as they appear, they align into a fleet forming lines and patterns, all directed toward the dark invaders. But you might wonder, what qualities make my immune ships so strong? Are they fast and agile, or powerful and steady? But let your sense of strength, knowing that they are here to protect and heal. And as the invaders drift closer, your immune spaceships move into action, spreading out in perfect formation, prepared to defend and clear your galaxy. And with each inhale, more ships appear, joining the fleet, growing in number. And with each exhale, you watch them advance toward the invaders. And with a sense of calm confidence, your spaceships approach the dark cells, firing gently yet powerful beams of healing energy. Each beam weakens and breaks apart the harmful cells, disintegrating them into harmless particles. What does that look like? And as you observe this, you may wonder, how quickly will my ships clear away these invaders? There's no need to decide, just allow the healing process to happen naturally, trusting that each breath brings another wave of clearing energy. Now with each breath, your immune ships are hard at work, sending beams of light and energy directly at each harmful cell. The invaders begin to dissolve one by one, breaking down and disappearing into the vast expanse of light surrounding them. And you can feel a sense of relief as these invaders are cleared, watching as each part of the dark mass vanishes, replaced by clarity, light and peace. You may even notice a sense of lightness within your body, a space that now feels clearer, calmer, and more open. And perhaps you ask yourself, how will this space feel as it fills with light? But allow yourself to explore that question, feeling the peace and calm that begins to fill the space within you. And as the battle draws to a close, take a moment to appreciate the strength and resilience of your immune spaceships. They're equipped not only to clear, but to protect, ready to respond to any future challenges that may arise. And with each breath, feel this immune fleet becoming even stronger, more responsive, and more resilient. Imagine that every breath you take reinforces this fleet, creating a sense of calm protection and security within you. And you might wonder other strengths that may be brought forward to support your health. There's no need to decide. Simply allow your body to activate and strengthen whatever it needs, trusting your body's wisdom. Now, the invaders are cleared. Imagine a gentle light filling the open space that they've left behind. And this light is warm, peaceful, and healing. It flows through you, nourishing every part of your body, bringing with it a sense of balance, health, and calm. Allow this light to fill every cell, every part of your body, bringing clarity and peace to each space it touches. And as you feel this light flowing through you, you might ask yourself, what feeling will I carry forward from this journey? Let that feeling settle within you, a reminder of your strength, resilience, and inner peace. So begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you, and notice any changes in your body, a sense of calm or energy that's present now. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes in your own way, in your own time, carrying with you the light and peace of this journey. And as you do, take a moment to thank yourself for this experience, for the way your immune system responded, for the strength and calm you brought to this mission. Know that your immune spaceships are always ready, always prepared to protect and clear, bringing health and peace to your body. And you can return to this mission whenever you need, trusting in the power of your own resilience and healing energy.